India's most awaited B2B bakery fair, Bakers Technology Fair 2020.
I am Ravinder Pal Shrivastava. I am from ITC, the Executive Housekeeper at ITC Kakatya at Hyderabad. My all the wishes to Horeca exhibition today in year 2019. The bakery and the other hotel equipments are, it's very well organized exhibition, and I am coming to Horeca exhibition from last 2 years, and of course I have seen it, they are doing it very well, and it is very informative, and with the new technology it is taking and the entire the hotel fraternity. The hotel industry is basically now into totally a revamping. The sustainability is the main motto of the era. You have to be very, very careful about your environment as well as anything you are doing which is sustainable. It is the call and there's a time for the era. I wish everybody Horeca a great success, and wish every year they come up with the good innovative ideas and the platform for the people to present themselves to the hotel industry. Thank you very much, everybody. Apart from that, I am the Telangana PHA president, and PHA started from southern region, and it has taken a great heights towards the north and towards the east as well. This PHA is, I am talking about PHA because PHA has put up a great effort to get the entire housekeeping and fraternity together and take them to enrich them with the knowledge, with the, you can say, give them the platform to succeed in the future.
This is Jwala Srinivas. I am the President for Telangana Chapter, Hospitality Purchase Managers Forum. We all work for the 5-star hotels. It's a forum which is made up of 2,500 employees all over the world. And coming to today's event, it is excellent event which has been organized by Synergeny every year, back to back, and really appreciated. If we need to tell you, 10-15 years back, even a smallest machinery which used to be imported, today it is available in India, and today, today it is, you can see all the machinery at one roof, under one roof. It is really a great job by Synergeny to bring all the people to the under one roof and make easier for the hotel owners, hotel managers, 5-star hotels and bakeries. It's very good for them to have update their knowledge on day-to-day basis. Technology improving a lot, and all the technology used in all machineries, and machineries efficiency has been increased a lot. So I wish all the best for Synergeny and as well as Brijesh to move forward with many more to come in future also. All the best, Brijesh. All the best, Synergeny team.
BTF, a leading event connecting the entire value chain of the bakery and confectionery market. Get to meet the leading vendors of bakery equipment manufacturers, ingredient and flavor suppliers, food processing machineries, packaging, refrigeration, technology and solutions. Be there, get to know the power of the bakery industry.
We are basically a renewable energy company where we bring in this new fuel for thermal applications for heat generation. Basically in a bakery we are introducing this fuel as an alternative fuel to diesel and gas, and we have a pellet fire burner, you can see there. This is a pellet fire burner which can replace your diesel burner with this pellet burner, and by using these pellets, basically our bakery customer will be able to save about 30% of their operating cost. We work in this pellet field since last 10 years. We have more than 2,000 installations of this pellet burner in India, and recently, since last 6 months, we are introducing basically this pellet burner for bakery. Now these burner can be installed in all kind of oven, whether it is a bakery oven, swing oven, and any biscuit line also it can be installed. And the installation very easy, where very little modification is required to do this. And we have very successful customers. We acquired about 30 customers in last 6 months. Majority of them are in Gujarat. So, and this is our first event where we have participated for a bakery, and the response has been quite encouraging. We already received more than 40 inquiries in last 2 days, and we expect many more in coming days.